Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Academic vocabulary. Definition of vocabulary as in BrianMedia.com that vocabulary is a list or collection of words arranged in alphabetical order and explained a directionary or lexicon, either of one language, a single word, or other, a branch of science or workbook. Educators often consider 4 types of vocabulary. There are reading vocabulary. A person reading vocabulary is all the words he or she can recognize when reading. Listening Listening for listening vocabulary. A person listening vocabulary is all the words he or she can recognize when listening to speak. Writing vocabulary. A person writing vocabulary is all the words he or she can employ in writing. Speaking vocabulary. A person speaking vocabulary is all the words he or she can use in speak. Definition of academic vocabulary. Academic vocabulary includes words used in academic dialogue and tests. It does include words studied used in general conversation, but academic vocabulary relates to other familiar words that students or do as. For example, rather than using the simple verbs which academic term will be observed. Academic vocabulary will help students understand oral direction and classroom instruction as well as compare the text across different subject area. The word in your vocabulary fall into 3 steps. Step 1. Word include basic or high frequency vocabulary words and usually don't include multiple meaning words. For example, basic words like happy, clean, fast, and sad. Step 2. Words are less familiar to students but help in comprehending written text and conversation shared between the teacher and student. Step 2 words are general academic words and sometimes might be referred to as right vocabulary tests. Words are precise but more subtle for of familiar words and include multiple meaning words. For example, instead of saying he walked on my side, he soundtrack step 2 word cross over into a variety of domains or subject area. Step 3. What are domain specific and are critical to understanding subject context? Generally, they have low frequency and are limited to specific subject. The geographical terms instead of meaning should encap with step 3. Word in informational text or textbook. Types of academic vocabulary. General academic vocabulary is composed of words and phrases found in all academic texts such as analysis, attribute, contrast, decision, however, and in particular. Domain-specific academic vocabulary includes specialist vocabulary and are usually related to a particular field of study, like the word photosynthesis in biology. parallelogram in geometry, and Democratic Republic in social study or government. 5. Principle of academic vocabulary instruction. Number 1. Vocabulary learning is intertwined with concept development. Word descriptive ideas, and in this session of vocabulary study expect and refine their thinking. The key to vocabulary learning is to uncover the concepts that underline the vocabulary. Number 2, vocabulary is learned in context. Studying learn new vocabulary through intensive reading and writing. It is impossible to take studying all of the vocabulary words they need to know. Rather, the goal is to take studying how to examine and think about words. Number 3, vocabulary is not about teaching just words. To learn new vocabulary, study need to examine phrase located in sentences and paragraphs. The importance of phrase in the discussion of teaching related words can be seen in the example above. Number 4, vocabulary instruction is the depth and generative. When studying learn one word, the learn 10 words, said a good teaching friend Tamara Baren as in the example above. Studying related words and phrases windows the context for vocabulary learning. Number 5, vocabulary instruction involves the study of morphology, the structure of words. In vocabulary instruction, studying learn the meaning of prefix and suffix, and this makes it possible for them to derive the meaning of words and words. English grammar is incorporated naturally in vocabulary studying. Examine what happens when suffixes are added to bases and words. For example, they see that convert a verb turns into a noun when tion is added, or that an adjective is formed from a noun when ancha is added to a word. Oke, terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.